everyone, it's Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I installed and styled this gorgeous wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. So this wig is from Afsisterwig. I received their new delicate hairline collection. This is a 16-inch lace curly wig, and here I'm showing you how everything looked once I first received it. So this is how the inside of the wig look, and as you can see, it comes pre-bleached already, so you don't have to worry about that. So here I'm showing you their new delicate hairline. You don't have to worry about plucking or customizing the hairline at all. It's a new technique that they use. Everything is hand tied, and they use about 1 or 2 strings of hair in each hole. That's what gives it a natural look. Also, look how the lace is melting into my skin. And also you can see on the mannequin that you can't even really tell where the lace started, okay? The lace is really good on this unit. Okay, so now I'm about to install this wig. After adjusting the wig to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the extra lace that's by my ear. And I did cut off the lace off camera, so now I'm about to install it, and I'm using my lace glue kit to install this unit. So y'all seen me do this a million times, and a lot of you are new here, and I want to just say, if you don't know why I don't have any edges or I have all patches, I will have a card to the top of the screen so you can click it. I did make a video about that, so yeah. And also, I know you're not supposed to get this glue in your hair, but if you do get the glue in your hair, please remove it with the lace remover and you shouldn't have any problems, okay? So yeah, so the only thing I do is I apply one layer going across. I take my popsicle stick and I spread out that layer, and then once that layer turns clear, I apply another layer and I repeat the same steps. And then once my last layer turns clear, I'm going to apply my lace. So now after that, I'm taking out some baby hair. So after that, I sprayed some holding spray, and then I applied my melting band from my lace kit. And then I let that sit for about 10 minutes or so while I decide what type of hairstyle I want to do. And I decided to add a little braid going across. So that's what I'm trying to do now. And then after that, I did do my baby hair off camera, and then I applied my melting band back on. And then I'm taking a spray bottle, and I have some water and a little conditioner inside, and I'm spraying it all over. And I'm just taking my hands and plumping up the curls, and that's it. I really like their new Delicate Hairline because, honey, that melts into your skin flawless and it looks so natural. And as you can see, the hairline looks so good on this unit. The hair is really soft. I wasn't getting much shedding with this hair at all. I mean, curly hair will shed a little bit, but I did not get a lot with this unit. So yeah, so that's about it. I love the way the hairline is like so natural looking. I really like that. I got so many compliments wearing this unit. A lot of people thought it was so cute. I like this little style myself. So yeah, so don't forget to check out Afsisterwig. I will leave a link down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.